Hi students, welcome to my channel Thoughts of Physics.
In the video series of wave optics, in this class, I am going to explain reflection of plane waves and I am going to derive the law of reflection. That is, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection using Huygens principle. Already we have discussed Huygens principle. Each point on a wavefront acts as the source of secondary disturbance, and the secondary wavelets originating from these points spread out in all directions with the speed of wave. That is the Huygens principle. By using Huygens principle, let us prove the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now, so let us consider a reflecting surface. Now, this is, let us say, MN. MN is the reflecting surface. Reflecting surface means whenever light incident on this surface or the wavefront incident on this surface, it undergoes reflection. So Mn is the reflecting surface. Now let us consider the normal to the surface. This is the normal drawn to the surface. Now let us consider a plane wavefront incident on this reflecting surface. Now this is the plane wavefront. Now let us say AB. AB is the plane wavefront. Plane wavefront incident on this reflecting surface Mn. At an angle of incidence, say I. I is the angle of incidence. So already we have discussed that in the previous class. That is, the ray and wavefront both are perpendicular to each other, and the angle between ray and wavefront is 90 degrees. So now let us say this is the light ray. This is the light ray and this is wavefront. The angle is 90 degrees. These two are perpendicular to each other. So according to Huygens principle, each and every point on this wavefront acts as the source of secondary disturbance. That means the point which is at B also it acts as source of secondary disturbance. That means from the B, secondary wavelets are producing, those wavelets are spread out in all directions. Let us consider a disturbance which is producing at B. This is the secondary wavelet which is producing at B. From the B point, it touches the reflecting surface at a point, let us say C. Now, let us consider V is the speed of the wave in the medium. In this medium, the speed of the wave is V, and T is the time taken by the wave to travel from B to C. From B to C, the time taken by the wave is T. Now, the BC becomes BC is equal to VT. The speed and time, the product of the speed and time gives the distance. So that means BC is equal to VT. AB is the incident wavefront. Now we have to find the shape and the position of reflecting wavefront. Already from Huygens principle we have discussed it. The new wavefront at a later time can be obtained by taking the tangential surface to the spheres of all the secondary wavelets. From the point A, if you draw the sphere, it forms like this. This is the sphere, it is drawn from the point A. So the distance is Vt. Why? Because in this medium completely the speed of the wave is V and the time is T. That's why the distance with which we are drawing the sphere is Vt only. Now to obtain the new wavefront we have to take the tangential surface. Now this wave incident at point C, from that point only it reflects back. That's why from that point we have to take the tangential surface. Now from this point, if you take the tangential surface, it forms like this. The reflecting wavefront touches the sphere at point D. In the figure, AP is incident wavefront and CD is reflecting wavefront. And this is called R. R is the angle of reflection. Now we are going to show the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. From this figure, if you observe carefully, that is angle ABC is equal to angle CDA. Angle ABC is equal to angle CDA is equal to 90 degrees, and BC is equal to AD is equal to VT. Then for both the triangles ABC and ADC, the base is same. Base is same. That is AC. So these two triangles are said to be congruent triangles. So from that you can say angle I is equal to angle R. That is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection.
If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. For latest updates, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.